Hello everyone, this is the garbage disposal in my kitchen. It is leaking from the bottom. See, the water coming out is next to the power cord. This is not good. First thing I do is to turn off the circuit breaker to this kitchen outlet. And now I'm going to show how to replace the garbage disposal in under 10 minutes. Let's get started. For the fastest fix, I recommend using the same model as the existing one. This garbage disposal is a Badger one with a power cord. This one lasts about 9 years. And I'm replacing it with the same model. The power cord and install kit model cost about $140 at Home Depot. They also sell a model with power cord only for $100. The power cord only model could be all that I needed. Here are the tools that are needed: a pair of gloves, a flathead screwdriver, the old garbage disposal key, a hammer if the dishwasher is connected to the garbage disposal. Here is what comes with the box with the power cord option and the kitchen installation kit: the garbage disposal, the sink to garbage disposal connector, the drain connector pipes, a couple screws, and the seal ring. Here are the steps. I have the dishwasher drain into the garbage disposal, so I have to punch out the hole in the garbage disposal for the dishwasher. I recommend doing it on the concrete floor. I have to use quite a bit of force to punch through the hole. This is not a plug that they install. It is actually a hole that I have to punch out using a screwdriver. Remove the power cord. Unplug the dishwasher drain. It can be tight. I recommend using a pair of gloves for better grip. Put a waste basket under the P-trap and disconnect it. I also recommend putting a grocery plastic bag over the pipe to avoid the air from the wastewater pipe from coming into the house. Now we are ready to remove the garbage disposal. I recommend putting a thick rag underneath the disposal to avoid any scratches. You can see there are 3 hooks at the top of the disposal. I can slot 2 garbage disposal keys to loosen the disposal. Once it is loosened slightly, I use my hand to hold the disposal while using the other hand to completely loosen it. Now I can see the sink connector. I'm not going to replace it this time. Next is to transfer the flange, the gasket, and the discharge tube to the new disposal. I replace the old gasket with a new gasket that comes with it. Now we reverse the process to put it back together. First, connect the disposal to the mounting assembly. Use the keys to secure it. Then move the disposal tube into the right position. Reinstall the P-trap. Reinstall the dishwasher drain. Plug the power cord back in and turn the circuit breaker back on. And run the leak test. No leaks. Ta-da! This is it. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below on your experience and what kind of videos you would like me to do next. Have a wonderful day.